welcome back to K&A. Today it's only me because I'm in the kitchen and we're kind of baking slash cooking because I'm gonna do a gosh, I can't even speak. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to make German style Bofrot. For Ghanaians, for Nigerians it's puff puff. So if you want to see what I'm doing, then stay tuned. Yes. You're going to need a handheld mixer. You're going to need a bowl, 500 grams of plain flour, as well as 500 grams of Quark. You can get this from Aldi, Sainsbury's, all of them stores there. And you're going to need 200 grams of sugar. I use caster sugar. Then I'm using 4 eggs, some baking powder, some vanilla extract, some salt. That's all. So here I'm mixing my Quark with some sugar and I'm going to give it a good whisk. Mix that in really nicely. Keep mixing it, yes. So here I'm putting in my 4 eggs into the mixture. Do you guys like the way I edited that? Yes. So yeah, you want to do that and want to give that a good mix as well. After that, you want to combine some vanilla extract. I just eyeballed it. You can probably use about 2 teaspoons if you want. So once you've done that, you want to put that mixture aside and mix your dry ingredients together. Here I've got my flour and I'm putting in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So you want to do that, give that a good mix. And in the next clip, I've got a spoon with some salt. I use probably about half a teaspoon. So yeah, you want to do that and combine that in nicely. So now that's done, you're going to mix your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients, or your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients, however you want to say it. Yeah. So here I'm just mixing the flour with the Quark and giving it a good mix. You want to keep mixing that. You want to keep doing that until it's nicely combined. You want to make sure you combine it really nicely so you get that nice dough ready for your Quarkba llchen or puff puff or Bofrot. So guys, I've got a top tip for my black sisters, and even if you're white, I'm pretty sure you can use this tip as well, because you know some of us be wearing our weaves, our wigs and our natural hair. You know, we don't really wash our hair that many times, you know. So a top tip to keep your hair from smelling is a plastic bag, and a scarf or duku. This, ladies, will stop your hair from smelling. Thank me later. So now that the mixture is ready, I've got 2 tablespoons and I am creating kind of like a round ball shape with it, so I can dip that into the oil. So I just use some vegetable oil and got that up to high heat. And yeah, so as you can see in the next clip here, I'm just dipping it in. Yes, I'd already made some, so that's what you see here. Just make sure if you've heated up the oil really hot, lower the stove a bit. If not, they're going to burn. And you don't want that. You want yours to become nice and golden. Yes. So yeah, you just want to keep repeating that step. In Ghana, we would use our hands to dip it in the oil, but this is a lot neater, and yeah, your hands aren't that dirty. As you can see here, they're looking nice and golden and yummy. It smells so good in the kitchen. Here you want to put it in a, what's it called, colander with some tissue to get the excess oil off. Here in Germany, they serve it with some sugar. So here I did it for the video purposes, dipped it in sugar. And yeah, that will just give it an extra sweet taste. This is how your puff puff Quarkba llchen should look. So yeah.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Quarkus.
So guys, I had to bring...
Can I not talk?
No.
Yeah.
I had to bring him in to try it to see his verdict.
No, man needs to approve the Bofrot or whatever it's called.
There you go.
German.
So here is one. So this one we coated it in sugar. But if you don't like it, like Ghanaians, we just have it plain. So I've done a few with sugar and a few plain. So eat.
First of all, I have to assess.
Elisha, no.
The weight.
Eat the thing. Do you like it?
Right.
Show them a shot of the inside. Zoom it.
The thing is good, huh?
What does it taste like?
It tastes like, you know, the funfair Bofrot that they do there.
Like in Germany, Schmalzgebäck.
Yeah, whatever.
It don't taste like Schmalzgebäck.
Right, it tastes like a brothel Bofrot basically.
Does it? Could you, if you...
But is that why you've got sugar caught in your beard?
If you gave this to a Ghanaian, would they be okay with it?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. It tastes even better than the Ghanaian Bofrot. That's what I think.
Really?
That's what I think. I prefer this one. Maybe because I've had
Ghanaian Bofrot too much.
My whole life. But this is different and it tastes
so it's a good alternative?
Yeah, it's good.
So,
really good.
Yeah, so happy that he likes it.
Yep.
And yeah, this is super quick, super easy. Like Ghanaian Bofrot, you have to use yeast and everything like that. With the Ghanaian Bofrot, you have to use yeast and everything, so it takes longer to make. But this literally will take you about 15 minutes to prepare. So it is great. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.
Right. Make sure you like.
Oh yeah.
Comment and subscribe.
And if you want more baking cooking videos, then please do let us know as well.
And if you want to put on weight, just come. She'll bless you with food, amazing food, because she knows how to cook. Like, I'm telling you, she knows how to cook.
Bye, guys.
That's the only reason why I'm here.
Oh, wow.
I'm here for the food.
So if it wasn't for
and a good life.
Bye guys.